3 high-paying virtual assistant niches this 2025. Hi Wonder VAs! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Work at Home by Vane Philippines, the virtual assistant hub for aspiring and experienced virtual assistants. My name is Blessy. I'm one of the virtual assistants focusing on social media management and marketing here at Vane Philippines. Welcome back, Wonder VAs! Are you ready to find out the 3 high-paying virtual assistant niches this 2025? Stay until the end of this video and we'll find what are these 3. So without further ado, let's get started. Demands for VA services shift constantly. For an instance, transcription services were a huge hit a few years back, but now AI can do it almost instantly. So today, I'm sharing these 3 high-paying niches this 2025. Don't worry, these don't replace core skills like calendar management, travel booking, or other admin tasks. Instead, these are specialized areas where you can stand out and earn more. First up is the e-commerce optimization. As more businesses and sellers shift online, they need experts who can drive traffic and boost sales. If you can handle things like keyword optimization, creating strategies to keep users on their pages longer, or improving product listings, think about it. You're not just a VA. You're the reasons their sales skyrocket. Next, we have email marketing. Email isn't dead, Wonder VAs. It's far from it. In fact, it's still one of the best ways to sell products, retain clients, and grow businesses. If you can create engaging campaigns, design templates, automate drip sequences, and analyze performance, you're offering a skill set that businesses need now more than ever. Finally, the social media marketing and content creation. So here's the difference. Social media is about scheduling and monitoring content your client provides. If you're creating original content, designing posts, writing captions, editing videos, or even running campaigns, you're already stepping in a high-paying niche. Clients will pay more for someone who can plan, create, and execute full content strategy. This is one of the most versatile and in-demand niche in the VA industry. So there you have it. E-commerce optimization, email marketing, social media marketing, and content creation are the 3 high-paying niches that you must know this 2025. So which one are you most excited to learn this 2025? Drop in the comments. And if you're already in this field, please let us know how is it going. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more resources and tips like this. So don't forget, Wonder VAs, you've got this!